Hi friends, today let us learn how to edit and highlight the text in PDF file. Choose a PDF file. In that you will see open with. In that you will see Microsoft Edge. So click on that, then it will immediately go into the Microsoft net browser. It will open. In that you will see different types of options how to edit the PDF file. There you can zoom it or zoom down or reverse it. So that option is exactly the desktop type. You can click that, or if you want one page or two pages in the same page, you can use it. The other thing is read aloud, which means you can use that option to read the whole text in the PDF. So choose it and then click play button, then it will choose. There are also some options, speed and slow. So there are options, you can choose them. So let us play. Okay, just try it. And then next one is add the text. So you can even add your own text in between your PDF file. So you can just let's for example type hi everyone. So adjust it. Even you can change the color. And you can highlight, or you can zoom in, zoom out. So even you can delete it. So let us keep for now. Okay, just keep it in between. Delete. The next option you will see, you can even, which means edit, or you can write even with different kinds of colors. So you can write anything with color, or painting, like you can paint even on that page. So that is the pen. So you can paint the colors, for example A, B, C, D. Okay, you can paint. The next option is main thing, that is to highlight the text in the PDF. So you can use it thickness or color, different colors you can use to differentiate your own text. For example, I used yellow, then highlighting the text. So you can highlight the text. You can underline the text. Even what we typed also, we can highlight that text even. Yeah. And even this also you can change the color. See, you can highlight like this. Then you can erase that highlighting colors even. So there is an option beside that, eraser. Just draw on the text, on the color, it will automatically erase. So even this also you can erase. Even this also you can erase. Even this also you can erase. Okay, the text is not. You can erase everything. And then next, you can take even print out. What you highlighted, even that also you can take print out with highlighting the text. So you can take out print if you wish. If not, for now I'm cancelling it. Then next, you save it. First, you should never forget to save the text. Then only the highlight will be saved. Then you can save that PDF which you highlighted. You can save it in your folder. So you can save if you wish. Okay, for now I don't want. Then it's okay, completely you want to zoom in. So for now I don't want. And then you can even pin that to the toolbar. Okay, yeah, for all, if you want, yeah, you click that there, will get everything. So dear friends, this is how you can highlight your PDF and even edit your PDF in Microsoft Edge internet browser. If you like my videos, for more updates, click subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.